Today, let's make Bengaluru Style Pulao. Start by taking a mixer jar. Into that goes in 10 to 15 mint leaves, 1 cup chopped coriander leaves, 4 to 5 green chilies, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, and some chopped ginger. Once you grind this into a fine paste, you will have your coriander mint base ready. Now take a cooker, add 1 cube of butter, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of salt. Give this a gentle mix. Now add whole spices and mix them together till it's well combined. Then add 1 cup of chopped potato, 1 cup of chopped French beans, 1 cup of chopped carrot, and 1 cup of chopped tomato. Now you just have to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Combine all the vegetable and spices. Now add the mint coriander base. Combine this thoroughly. Now it's time to add rinsed rice. I've taken 2 cups of rice. Add water based on consistency and give it a mix. And close the lid. Let it cook for around 20 minutes. Once it's cooked, you have this delicious looking Bengaluru style vegetable pulao. This has lots of vegetables, lots of greens in it, perfect for your morning breakfast.